Tell the Lord how grateful you are. Tell the Lord how grateful you are. Let him hear your heart of gratitude this morning. Let the Lord hear what you are saying to him this morning. Not the song we're gonna sing, not the words of anybody's mouth, but the words that comes out of your mouth. Let him hear how thankful you are for what he's been to you. You are worthy, Jesus. You are faithful, you are glorious, you are marvelous, you are beautiful beyond description. No one is like you, God. Who is like you, Lord, in all the earth? Matchless love and beauty, endless worth. For nothing in this world can satisfy. Jesus, you're the cup that won't run dry. Your presence, your presence is heaven to me. Your all over this room, let's declare, treasure of my heart and of my soul. Say, treasure of my heart and of my soul. In my weakness, you were merciful. You are merciful. Regardless, Redeemer of my past and present wrongs. He's the holder of my future days to come. Let's sing it out. Your presence is heaven to me. To me, oh, your presence is heaven to me. Your presence is heaven to me. Let's do that again. Your presence is heaven. And all my days on earth I will await the moment that I see you face to face. Nothing in this world can satisfy. Jesus, you're the cup that won't run dry. Say nothing in this world, nothing in this world will satisfy. Jesus, you're the cup. One more time, sing it. Jesus, you're the cup.